Hey there, today we're turning plain sugar cookies into beautiful Easter eggs. We're using a super easy wet-on-wet technique that's perfect for beginners, so grab your royal icing and decorate with me. I am Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you're interested in learning how to decorate sugar cookies, or you just need some inspiration, you're in the right place. So I've got some simple baked oval cookies here, and I'm just going to touch down with my royal icing, lift up, and slowly go around the edge of the cookie, watching where my icing is falling rather than watching my piping bag. And when I get to their side, I'll just stop squeezing and touch down. And then we're going to flood the cookie with the royal icing. Now I'm using a 15-second royal icing, so I can go right up to the edge of my cookie. But if you're using a thinner consistency royal icing, you're going to want to start flooding from the middle and work your way out to the edge, stopping before you get all the way to the edge, and then using a scribe or a toothpick to get your royal icing to go all the way to your edge. Now, doing a wet-on-wet design like we're doing today, it's a better practice to use a 10 to 12 second icing, but I'm using what I have on hand and I'm used to working with this, but I'll have to work pretty quickly before my icing crusts over. And if you're new to cookie decorating, you might want to watch my video on royal icing consistencies, and I'll leave a link in the description. Now I'm just going to give my cookie a little jiggle by sticking my scribe right inside the cookie, and then I'll wipe off the tip of my scribe and gently poke up and down to get any peaks to settle down. And then I'm going to immediately grab an icing in another color that's also in about a 12-second icing consistency and start squeezing big dots right into the wet blue icing. It's called a wet-on-wet technique because we're putting wet icing right onto other wet icing. And then I'm going to overlap with some of the pink dots here, and they're going to be slightly smaller. Then I'm just going to make little itty bitty dots, just barely touching the bag down to my icing for even smaller dots. And then I'm going to add some big purple dots here, and you can just keep going and add as many dots as you would like until you have the cookie looking the way you want to. And if some of your dots are sticking up above the icing and they haven't quite settled down, just take your scribe or your toothpick and gently push up and down at your dots until they all blend together. Don't drag it, just tap up and down. And here you have a really cute Easter egg. You can make several using different colors and different designs, big dots, small dots, and they're super fun and super easy for Easter, and even the kids could help you do these. And they taste delicious, so I recommend you give it a try. And be sure to check out all the other Easter videos for more inspiration. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description. Until next time, happy cooking!